Make a great choice today with the 2013 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Come see the car for yourself.